balance, treble, bass, and volume. I won't do it too loud, but it's got plenty. It's got a rumble filter and scratch filter as well. If you've got a scratchy record, scratch filter it. If you're finding that if it's in a room where it's got like vibrations or whatever, put the rumble filter on. Probably won't need that though. But all works perfectly. It's got a tape and tuner input at the back, so you can stick. It doesn't have to be a tape or a tuner, but whatever you want to stick in the back. So I always put it on tape to plug the mobile phone or tablet into it or whatever, and it's just a 5 pinned in cable. Works perfectly. I'll show that next video.